is Lizelle van Eden. I'm the project manager for Matla Albana, an NGO that works on a national level with a family violence, child protection and sexual offences unit. And I'm privileged to be the project manager, as I mentioned, for 5 provinces, of which Gauteng, Northwest, Limpopo, Free State and Mpumalanga are the provinces that I deal with. My background is I was a detective at the Child Protection Unit for close to 14 years before starting as a project manager at Matla Albana. I was approached by Monique Strydom, the CEO of Matla Albana, to look after the NGO and also to be a project manager. In the beginning, I didn't think I would manage that, but yeah, 22 years later, I'm still the project manager at Matla Albana. And what we've seen in our day-to-day is that it's not easy to work in the child protection or field or working with child abuse as such. There's many charities that come and there's many charities that go, and unfortunately it's all about funding. Matla Albana is privileged to have donors that we approach, and our main aim is to focus on long-term relationships. So up to date, we have not received any funding from government to implement or to do our projects. Our projects is to minimize the secondary abuse a victim is exposed to when reporting child abuse. So what we do is we create child-friendly facilities at sexual offences courts, at the child protection units, currently known as family violence, child protection and sexual offences units. And we have also several rooms at hospitals where we created victim-friendly areas. Then we also do comfort packs, which is age appropriate. Currently in South Africa, the most rapes that occur is with girls between the ages of 5 and 12. So we do 2 comfort packs for small girls and medium. Small is 5 to 8 years and the medium is 9 to 12 years. And those packs makes a direct impact in the victim's life and restores the victim's dignity when receiving that comfort pack. The feedback also from the courts and the detectives dealing with these cases is that they can see the difference in the child's behavior when